Hello, bright and radiant you. Today, I wanted to talk about gratitude and a beautiful practice that I wanted to share with you. It's about giving gratitude to the past version of yourself and giving gratitude to the future version of yourself. So, have you ever prepared something that you know that you're going to need in the future? Um, Say that you prepare a meal that you're going to eat for tomorrow. And while you're making that meal, you're thinking about that future version of yourself. You're giving gratitude to that future version of yourself. And then the following day, when you sit down to eat that meal, giving gratitude to the past version of yourself that showed up in love and preparation for that moment for you to eat, to nourish your body, to take care of you. It's a really fun and beautiful way to give gratitude to the past version of yourself and also give gratitude to the future version of yourself as well. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please click like and subscribe. It does help me to grow the channel. Much love to you. Peace.